Good evening, friends. 2 minutes microwave tea cake. That's what we are going to bake in today. In a bowl, pour vegetable oil and add in sugar. Pour in some curd, mix them well and add 1 teaspoon of vanilla essence. Sift in Maida, baking powder and baking soda. Mix them well with a spatula. Once the batter is ready, add in orange zest for an awesome flavor. Pour in some milk for the consistency. Add some tutti frutti, choco chip or nuts, choice is yours. Now that the batter is ready, pour them into the molds. This goes into the microwave for just 2 minutes. And ta-da! Your microwave cake is ready in just 2 minutes. Interesting, isn't it? Have a wonderful tea time microwave cake